everyone, it's me Thisen, back at Leo's Adventures. Today I am going to show you how to make a balloon piston, okay? So you get your balloon, stretch it a bit, get your pumper and start pumping. Oh. Then the balloon knot. So now you're all ready. So the first step is to do a basic twist about 1 or 3 centimeters away. Then we're gonna make a hole like this and then twist it. We have one part. Then we're gonna do another. We're gonna do a bit like the same thing. Do a basic twist here, and then we're gonna make the same. So you have 2 right there. Now we're gonna make a basic twist right here, and then you're gonna get this long piece and push it through all of them, through the 2 holes. And then you got your gun. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please hit the like button and that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!